The most basic stretch you can do for your thighs is a standing quad stretch. Now you can hold on to anything for balance here. We're not trying to challenge the balance, we're trying to get a stretch. And if you're losing the stretch because of balance, we're going against the point of the exercise. So what you do, standing up nice and tall, grab your foot, or if mobility is a bit tricky, bring your knee underneath, grab your shin, and then bring your knee back. Okay? This is the important thing. We don't want to be grabbing and lifting up. Make sure that knee comes backwards, and even better, slightly behind. Keep the chest up and push the hips forward. And if we really can, if we've got the balance, use both hands and pull that extra little bit deeper. You should then feel the stretch down the thigh.